This is our third EP3 review video for LAX2015, and we are from Group 45, and this is Chong Mai Sing.
And I'm Chua. So actually we are in Kajang now, and as the internet mentions, Kajang is a famous place for satay. So actually we are in one of the famous Kajang satay restaurants in Jalan Sungai Chua, Yoklan Satay Restaurants. So as I mentioned, this restaurant actually serves satay and other foods like otak-otak and chicken wings. Let's we go and try the food. Is actually very famous or not? Okay, let's go.
Go. Various kind of satay. This is fish, this is chicken, this is lamb, and this is beef.
Actually, we do order the chicken wings, the otak-otak, and the ketupat as well. The ketupat actually normally served with the kacang satay. So this is the kuah, the sauce that we have actually served with the kacang satay. So let's have a try on the food.
Hi, we are Group 45 for LAX2015, have hope will travel, and I'm Chu Hui Lian with metric number 173515.
I'm Chua, metric number 176116.
And Chong Mai Sing, metric number 174162.
I'm Rushazana 175443.
I'm Japing, metric number 172716.
I'm Tijaling 174744. Okay, so today's all of us goes eating satay kacang.
Yes.
So let's review the place that we visit today. So who want to start first?
Okay, just start first.
Okay.
So actually this is the first time I went to this satay restaurant. Actually last time I went to another. So I thought only one, but actually they have many. For these times, these restaurants are a bit old-fashioned because we can see the design and all the
like
facilities. It's like kopitiam. Last time, not like the first, the Cafe Park Hailam. This is modern, but this one is very old. In terms of the food, I think it's okay for the satay because they provide many choices like fish, beef, muttons, and the chicken as well, and the other things. How about the other?
For me, I think the satay is delicious. I like satay so much. and I also like that the shop got many choices because usually we eat is only chicken and beef only, right? They got fish. I like the fish so much, and then the price. If not mistaken, every stick is ringgit plus, is it?
Yeah.
Do you all think the price okay or not?
For me, I think the price is okay because the meat is very thick, right? Compared to other shop ones. So I think the price is reasonable.
And then the price is included GST. So not bad because the shop looked very normal and old-fashioned, but got GST. And then the environment very lots of smoke, and then make our hair all smelly and oily already. But the food is nice.
For me, I will compare this satay and Haji Samsuri satay kacang. You know,
She went before.
you went. For me, this restaurant satay is more juicy and quite. The price is reasonable lah. For Haji Samsuri, the price will be quite expensive on the beef and muttons because it's beef. It's quite difficult for me to say. But for Haji Samsuri, there's a lot of choice for satay. And then also for these restaurants, provide otak-otak and also chicken wings. We ordered it just now. And the environment is okay for me. It's no problem. Maybe except for the smoke. It's normal for smoke in a satay shop. Okay. Okay, that's all from.
For me, I'm not a satay lover, but I think this is the best satay that I taste before lah. Especially for the chicken, I think it's quite tender. The meat is very tender and juicy, and the fish satay is also the first time I try. I think.
Me too.
Yeah, it's very new for me, but it's also very delicious.
I also like the satay and I like very much the ketupat because I eat
Nobody mentioned the ketupat.
I eat satay cannot full lah because
Your stomach is big.
no
Because you need rice.
Yeah, the rice, but okay lah. The ketupat size quite okay lah. Not so big, not so small.
Satisfied.
Satisfied. And the otak also quite okay.
If compared to the otak in Muar, because you come from Muar, right?
I prefer more lah.
I also prefer more.
Next time you can try it in more.
Okay, you buy for us lah.
Okay.
Selling.
The environment also okay lah. Quite big.
And lots of seats, right?
Yeah. And many customers go there.
For you?
For me, the environment is okay also, except the smoke lor, but it's normal lah, I think, also accept lor. Then instead of the study, I actually like the otak-otak more. Okay, but I never try the muawat lah. Maybe it's more tasty. Okay.
You should try more one. You'll be addicted with it.
Next time Charlie will buy it.
Okay, wait for Jialing. And for the price reasonable, and that's all lah.
For me, this is the first time I see the price for the fish, satay fish, is more expensive than the beef. Usually beef is expensive in the Malaysia or like Haji Samsuri Satay Kacang. Beef is more expensive. Sometimes one stick reach like 1.16 or 1 ringgit 8 cents. But for these shops, the beef is 1 ringgit. While the fish is 1 ringgit 50 cents. Yeah.
Mutton also have
Different restaurant we have different range of
Maybe because of the owner is Chinese.
Yeah.
Because usually Chinese seafood sell a bit expensive.
Yes.
I don't know why.
Maybe I'm not sure about it.
Maybe they're using a good fish from sea rather than the pond.
Pond fish.
They raise the fish in the pond, because normally when the fish came from sea originally will be much more expensive, right? The bacteria different. They say that the sea fish is more fresh, more tasty, like that. And actually, do you know the chicken wing we order? The chicken wing also actually quite nice, right?
Oh, chicken is okay.
Just but a bit small in size. The portion is quite small.
A bit dark.
But dark. But for me,
Terbakar how to say?
burn.
Burn.
but I think the thing is quite okay lah. But not that very good, but not too bad. It's reasonable. It's reasonable, acceptable.
But I'm not sure. Have you all eaten rabbit satay or rusa satay?
No.
Rusa we
But no
have tried.
satay lah. Just the meat.
Deer,
Oh,
the
the
deer.
deer, yes, deer. Deer satay and also rabbit satay.
You try before?
I have tried it before.
Which one? Both ah?
Both rabbit and both is delicious.
Both is delicious.
But it's quite pity to eat, you know.
I
But
know.
because it already cooked, right, and it's really like that.
Where you tried it?
If you go to maybe I don't know, Haji Samsuri got,
I think
yeah,
Oh.
Haji Samsuri got rabbits. Rabbit rabbits, the taste of the rabbits is same like chickens, but it's more tender and more juicy than chickens.
What is the price?
It will be more expensive because
Deer also.
deer also, because for now deers they have to raise it. They cannot just catch it.
Oh, okay.
You must raise the deer also. And also rabbit, of course rabbit expensive right nowadays.
Rabbit is
People
as
will-
my pets, not my foods.
Okay, the thing is as well.
Never, I know this. Because my mother got tell me before, when she was young, she also try the rabbit mix also. I also get shocked, you know.
So in terms of the food, I think we all satisfied. Okay. Just the environment is a bit. For me, it's actually like they say the smoke and the temperature is quite hot and
You can suggest the aircon.
very oily. but will not suggest the aircon because for satay restaurant, the feeling is you have to watch
Enjoy
enjoy
the feeling
people like
that.
burning, like barbecuing the
So we cannot
satay.
comment on the environment.
Yes.
Just now I got think something, you know. Just now Jialing mentioned that she cannot pull because that place only sell satay, chicken wings, and otak-otak. Why don't they try to sell some chicken rice or something that we can pull? But maybe it's because of something like if they are selling rice, it will affect their business of satay. So they
Satay,
will
yes.
sell that.
Maybe just a side dish like fried rice only.
But people
And then
will,
satay.
will order less satay.
Yeah, because the main foods there is satay. So of course they will sell
The
satay.
business, the core business is satay.
Yeah. So anything to add?
You can order more satay.
Or ketupat.
Financial problem.
Not enough already lah. I think the location is also quite easy to for us
Yes,
to find,
yes.
right?
Got parking also.
Got
Parking
parking
a lot.
also. But I not very like the service there.
Oh yeah. Okay, you can tell the story. Tell the story.
Just now, Justin and me go to pay money lah. Then we ask for the receipt, but we ask for twice lah. But the
Cashier.
cashier there said,
Is impatient.
I know already. I got listen. Can you wait? I say just wait lah. Can you wait? I got listen what they said
But
lah.
we are customer ma, and we also very patient. Tell her only lah.
Don't say then why lah?
I didn't say that, but
Because
they
the
should
auntie is
provide
quite
the
old already.
service.
We do know because we didn't follow you guys to make the payment. But for the story, I think service is
But the waiter is okay.
The waiter is
not because the waiter is foreigner, foreigner, so they just take order and then walk away.
And I think because it's an old-fashioned
I think their business is quite good. So maybe
Must be very good because got GST, you know.
just now I take away, and then I order egg steak of the satay. Then the lady boss tell me, if you order less than 10 steak, then your sauce need to mix with the satay.
Yeah.
I need to put inside.
But then the waiter helped me to separate.
But still egg satay only.
Egg satay only. But the waiter helped me to separate. But the lady boss got shocked at them, say need to mix together. But then,
Why leh?
I think
So
to
to
save the
save the
plastic bag
cost.
maybe.
Was the egg rush you
Very
went?
Everyone plastic bag ah.
I
But
think
they
it's like
like business is good already.
Cannot
Earn a lot
plastic
already.
also. Stingy.
Yeah, it's,
They want to earn a lot again.
Oh no.
I don't know about that.
I think it's so easy.
You cannot say anything. Maybe that it's not maybe their style of business.
nowadays service like this cannot be.
Customer the first, you know.
Maybe the service part need to be improved more.
Improve.
But people also will go because of their food.
Some more we have other subsidies like what type.
Haji Samsudin.
Actually, I have a question. Is this a franchise?
No.
I don't think so.
But there are many satay shops.
Just it's because the locations, the Kajang
famous of
famous
satay.
with satay. So they actually they have many satay restaurants. Like the one we pass by the highway, also got one, but that one more for Malays. And another one is like the Haji Samsudin, and now Yoklan is the third restaurant I heard famous with satay.
I only know two satay restaurant that franchise. First is Haji Samsuri and then second is Satay Station. Only that two that I know. Other than that, maybe just personal business. Because satay is also normal things that we eat for us.
Snack, as a snack, one. So we can make conclusion already, right?
Yeah.
So to sum up, the food for us is delicious and good, and then others like environment, price, and what else? Service is normal, right?
Normal.
Okay.
But the service
Need to
is quite
improve
bad.
lah. Need to improve.
Need to improve.
Many.
Okay.
That's all for us.
That's all from us.
Thank you.
Bye.